Hi guys, so today we are making a delicious and vibrant curry, Capsicum Beef Curry. This flavorful dish combines tender pieces of beef with colorful capsicum, which is also known as bell peppers, in a rich and aromatic curry sauce. Get ready for a burst of flavor in every bite. In this video, I'll guide you through each step to create this restaurant-worthy curry in your own home. So if you are craving something flavorful, hearty and a little bit spicy, stick around. This is a fantastic way to enjoy tender beef and colorful capsicum in a flavorful and easy to make curry. It's surprisingly straightforward and the results are always impressive. If you are looking for a meal that's both delicious and effortless, you are in the right place. Join me as we create this delicious curry together. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first take 600 grams beef cut in medium pieces, add some salt to taste. Add half tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon crushed black pepper, 1 stock cube, 3 tablespoon oil, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon curry powder, half tablespoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Then give it a nice mix. And marinate it for about 1 hour. Then take a mixer jar, add 2 capsicum roughly cut, 2 onions roughly cut, 2 tomatoes roughly cut, and then blend it to a smooth paste. So the paste is ready. Make sure it is something like this. Then leave this aside to use it later. Then in a hot pan, add 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, 2 bay leaves, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 6 green cardamom, 6 cloves, and then dry roast all the spices. Then allow it to cool down completely. Then take a mixer jar, add all the dry roasted spices, and then blend it to a fine powder. So the masala powder is ready. Make sure it is something like this. Then leave this aside to use it later. Then in a hot pan, add oil, add 6 cloves, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 4 green cardamom, 2 bay leaves, and fry it for few seconds. Then add the marinated beef and fry the beef for about 4 to 5 minutes until the beef has changed its color. Then add half tablespoon garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and fry it for about 2 minutes. Then add the puree which was previously made and then give it a nice mix. Then add 2 cups water and cover it and cook it for about 20 to 25 minutes until the beef is nice and soft. Then add the dry roasted masala powder which was previously made. Add 1 teaspoon dark soya sauce and then give it a nice mix. Then add some salt to taste. Add handful of chopped coriander leaves. Add 2 tablespoon ghee or clarified butter. Add 1 tablespoon butter and then give it a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it until the oil separates. Cover it and cook it for about 10 minutes. As you can see that the oil is nicely separated on the surface. Then give it a final mix. So the capsicum beef curry is ready. And there you have it guys, a wonderfully flavorful and vibrant capsicum beef curry, ready to be enjoyed. This is a fantastic dish that pairs perfectly with rice, naan or even roti. I hope you give this recipe a try and experience the delicious combination of tender beef and colorful capsicum in that rich curry sauce. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe for more tasty recipes and let me know in the comments how yours turned out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.